Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make text overlay an image in Elementor. This is a fantastic technique for creating eye-catching hero sections, banners, or any design where you want text to sit directly on top of a background image. It's simple but incredibly effective for making your pages more visually engaging. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, click on Pages in the left sidebar, then select Add Page. This will create a new blank page for you to work with. After the page is created, click on Edit with Elementor to open up the visual editor where we'll be doing all our design work. Now that you're inside Elementor, you'll need to add a new section where your image and text will live. Click the plus icon, which you'll see when you hover over the canvas area, and select a one-column structure. This gives you a clean, full-width space to work with. The section is now in place, and it's ready for your background image. Next, click on the section handle, which is the dotted outline at the top or bottom of your section. This opens up all the settings for that section. Navigate to the Style tab, then click on Background and select Classic from the options. Here's where you upload or choose your image. Once your image is selected, set the position to center. This ensures the image stays properly aligned and looks good on all screen sizes. After setting your image, head over to the Layout tab within the section settings, find the height option, and change it to min height. Then enter a value like 400px. This step is crucial because it gives your section enough vertical space to display the image properly and ensures your text will have room to sit nicely on top without feeling cramped. Now it's time to add your text. From the left panel, drag a heading widget into the section you just created. This widget is perfect for overlaying text because it's designed to be bold and prominent. In the title field of the heading widget, type in the text you want to display over your image. It could be a headline, a tagline, or any message you want to highlight. With your text in place, let's make sure it stands out against the background. Click on the Style tab of the heading widget and explore the typography options. Here you can adjust the font, increase the size to make it more impactful, and change the color for contrast. If your image is dark, use a light-colored text, and vice versa. This contrast is key to making sure your text is readable and grabs attention. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save Draft. You'll find this button beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This saves all your progress so you won't lose any of your work. If you're ready to make the page live, you can click Publish instead. And there you have it, a clean text overlay on an image using Elementor. This technique gives your website a professional, polished look with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.